Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with 10 useful and short information that nourishes your brain. Let's get started. Number 1. Some types of tapeworm will eat themselves if they cannot find food to eat. Number 2. In space, astronauts cannot cry. Tears cannot flow due to zero gravity. Number 3. The oldest piece of chewing gum in science was 9,000 years ago. Number 4. Every time a person breathes, their ribs move about 5 million times throughout the year. Number 5. Most people use red toothbrushes more than blue. Number 6. Recycling a single glass jar provides enough power to operate the TV for 3 hours. Number 7. Owls are the only birds that can see blue. Number 8. Donkeys kill more people every year than plane crashes. Number 9. Coca-Cola was originally green and sold at the drugstore. Number 10. The United States has never lost a war in which mules were used. In the end, I thank you very much for following up. Goodbye.